Today we're out at Sycamore Court, Coach Home 3211. This is a furnished rental. Your Ring doorbell there. Nice big tile on diagonal inside. Beautifully decorated. Stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinets. You've got your stone counters. Custom lighting. Take you into the master. We've got crown molding in this unit. Lanai access. Got your double walk-in closets here. Great big walk-ins. Plenty of storage. Master bath. Got a linen closet here as well. It's a great split floor plan. You can close this off for privacy here. Close off the other bedrooms. Bedroom 2. Got a good sized closet in here. Your fans are remote controlled. Bedroom 3. Got your full-size washer and dryer here. Next to the 2-car garage. Your water heater's out here. AC unit. More storage. Here's your second bath. And you've got a tub in this one. It's a good sized tub. Let's take a peek outside on the lanai. Nice sized lanai here. Plenty of room for entertaining. Got some golfers out there today. It's a beautiful day.